You know, raga means attachment. We have so much attachment towards the body, right? Because we have the attachment, we love this. Because we love this, whenever we see something, it may hurt this. I love this, that may hurt this. Suppose, while you are walking, you saw a snake. What is your response? Why? Is it necessary? After all, you are a creature, that is a creature. Swamiji. It's not. It bites. Why does it bite? Huh? Because you thought it may hurt me. And the vibrations from your body reached that creature, and then that also felt that you may hurt that. And when it thought, because that also having the raga on his body, understand? But the vibrations from your body touched that animal, and then that also started feeling that this guy may hurt me. I need to protect this because I like this. I need to protect this. To protect this, what should I do? I should eliminate him. To eliminate him, I should sting him. Then he stings you. Otherwise it doesn't. Because you thought negatively towards that, the negative feel made that other end also feel that negativity. That's how it came to you. If you do not feel, that also doesn't feel. You understand? Sometimes probably you might have seen, when babies are sleeping, then sometimes some kind of insects like scorpion, sometimes snakes, they also just crawl over them. They don't hurt. They don't do anything. Because the baby on whom it is crawling never thinks that this is a snake, it hurts me, I should kill it. They don't. Because there is no negative feeling, vibration from that, there is no negative feeling from the other end, and it never stings him. It simply just crawls side by. That's it. But with you it is not the case. When you see the scorpion, it may sting me, then you try to search for some object so that you can kill it. Is it necessary? No. It's an animal, it's moving, you are another animal, you are moving. Just you go by your way and let it go by its way. When I have some negative feeling towards you, these vibrations definitely give a negative feeling in you also towards me. Thus develops enmity. Why it come? Because anyway they are not going to touch the soul, right? Nobody is going to touch the soul. If anybody does something, it is only to the body, which is temporary. If this body goes, another body definitely comes. For all of us, it's not that you have to neglect it. I'm not saying for that purpose. But over-attachment towards it is not necessary. That's what I say. But we are over-attached to this. That's why we think that this is permanent. We should keep it permanent. And though the snake doesn't hurt you, but by seeing that you feel that it may hurt you. That's the problem. That's the biggest problem. Then that feeling makes that also become wild. For us, this love, raga, is there. This raga, the more raga towards body made feel, created in you a kind of fear. This may go away from me. Something may happen to me. Something may happen because of that. It may cause some damage to this. I should eliminate that. What do you call it? Bhaya. Bhayam. What does it mean by bhayam? Can you define? Bhayam means shaking of the mind, thinking the other end may do some damage to me. Shaking of the mind is called bhaya. But when the shaking becomes more, it called krodha, anger. Initially it is only fear. That fear is confined here. But when it grows more and more, that becomes anger. Anger still grows, that becomes revenge. And then revenge still grows, then the action comes to do something to that. But what is the root cause for all these things? Raga. Raga on your body. If that's not there, nothing will happen to you. But the more raga you show on this body, do you think that body will be there with you permanently? No? When we were young, how much love we have towards the body? Because how beautiful it was. But were you able to keep it up like that? We could not. It grew older and started wrinkles. Can you stop them? In course of time, it also leaves you. Are you able to stop it? No. Anyway, the course of that is to leave you. But we developed a kind of feel towards it that it is a permanent thing for me. Because you thought it is a permanent, you won't be able to bear with any kind of separation. So you suspect everything around. That may damage me, that may separate me, that may hurt me. And whichever you have this kind of feel that may hurt me, this is a negative vibration. Goes to that. Aggravates similar vibration from that also. Then the quarrel starts. Then the fighting goes. Of course, later what happens we know very well. The initial ragam is something we have to eliminate. You develop that ragam towards something higher thing which is far better than this body. That is God or that is soul. If your ragam is towards that, this never makes any difference to you, whether it's positive or negative.
సెరెనిటీ మోడల్ హై స్కూల్ విద్యార్థులకు అమ్మఒడి, సామాన్యులకు అందుబాటులో ఉన్న బడి సెరెనిటీ. మేడ్చల్ జిల్లాలో మేటిగా నిలిచి సాటిలేని ఫలితాలను సాధిస్తున్న నెంబర్ 1 స్కూల్ సెరెనిటీ. మా ప్రత్యేకతలు ప్రతి విద్యార్థి పట్ల వ్యక్తిగత శ్రద్ధ, యాక్టివిటీ బేస్డ్ లెర్నింగ్ అండ్ డిజిటల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్స్, కంప్యూటర్ ల్యాబ్, 100% ఫలితాలు, స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్, యోగా, అబాకస్ మరియు వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ప్లీజ్ విజిట్ Serenity Model High School, Nagaram. Admissions are in progress. Call 040-271-46899 and 040-271-48699.